Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 40R and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the standard video mode, however it does not really matter on which mode you will be. I also wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear after resetting. All we have to do is to enter the settings. They are in the left upper corner, and now scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Let's tap. Now let's tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and this is the first evidence that the reset option worked, because our camera will ask us about the access to the location, and the green lines, they are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.